Welcome to my YouTube channel Fact Animation. Today I will discuss about a very interesting factor, and that is value investing. A disclosure from my side, I am not a SEBI registered advisor. This video is just for academic purposes. The idea of this talk is not to get into how to pick the individual stocks based on value parameters, but to use NSE and BSE indices for our advantage. So let's get started. It is often said that we need to pay less for what it is worth. This is the whole crux of value investing. We just cannot miss to mention the greatest value investor the world has seen, Mr. Warren Buffett. In brief, we shall understand what it is. It is about buying cheap, paying lesser than the actual worth of the business, and once you buy it, you hold it until the market realizes its true value. PE is not the only metric to look at when buying stocks. A value investor is often looking for a discount. Let's understand why it works and the risks associated with it. So why do the stocks go below its value price? Some of the reasons could be fear, short-term earnings dip in the company, or broader market correction. Coming to the risks, a cheap stock could actually be a dirty stock with downtrend businesses, falling demand for its products, and unreliable cash flows and high debt. So it's not easy to find value stocks just by looking at some metrics. This needs deeper understanding of the businesses. If it's not easy, then how can you participate in the value factor? Well, thanks to NSE and BSE for that. So in this slide, I have put together a few best value indices which also have a mutual fund or a ETF backing these indices. So the first one is BSE Enhanced Value Index Fund, where the universe is BSE 500, number of stocks is 50. Similarly, we have Nifty 500 value 50, Nifty 200 value 30, where the number of stocks is 50 and 30. All of them are rebalanced semi-annually, which means that if a stock is not performing, then BSE or NSE will throw away that stock from the index. I've also captured the returns since inception, that is 2005. BSE Enhanced Value Index Fund has delivered the highest returns of 20. BSE Enhanced Value Index Fund is one of the best funds, and I am currently invested in it. So the key takeaways is value factor is something that cannot be ignored. Every factor plays out at a certain period of the market. I personally stay away from individual stock picking, but instead play the factors using the NSE and BSE indices. I love to juggle between the different factors at different periods of the market. That's all for today's video. In the next video, we shall talk about market factor indices and the different strategies. Thank you.